And that's what I was really talking about. Pyruvate dehydrogenase, there's an inherited deficiency in the enzyme that oxidizes pyruvate to acetyl-CoA. So if you can't do that in the mitochondria, pyruvate will accumulate. But because pyruvate is connected to other fates, it can be converted to lactate. It also, remember from last lecture, it can also be converted to alanine reversibly. These are reversible conversions, steps. So as a result, if you cannot metabolize pyruvate through pyruvate dehydrogenase, you accumulate lactate, so you'll get lactic acidosis, you'll get hyperalanemia, meaning a lot of alanine is made. But most importantly, you deprive the cell of a lot of energy because you cannot produce acetyl-CoA, you cannot conduct the TCA cycle, and results in severe ATP production. And this is actually, depending on the severity of this deficiency, this could be fatal at a very early age. Okay. Another important thing about related really more to pyruvate dehydrogenase is about vitamin deficiencies. Remember, I said you need to know that there are 5 coenzymes required for pyruvate dehydrogenase. The same coenzymes are also required for alpha-ketoglutarate dehydrogenase, right there. 4 of them are vitamins. One of the most common deficiencies in these 4 vitamins is thiamine. Is a common deficiency and can result from one of 2 conditions, really poor malnutrition, or it's due to alcoholism. So if you don't have thiamine, you cannot, the pyruvate dehydrogenase reaction doesn't work properly. It causes a condition known as Wernicke-Korsakoff syndrome. It has ataxia, ophthalmoplegia, memory, many different central nervous system effects. And obviously a decrease in ATP output. And that really is most or first sensed or manifested in the heart. The heart and the brain are essentially aerobic tissues that depend on a high output of ATP. Okay? So anyway, you don't need to know all the details, just know the thiamine deficiency can affect pyruvate dehydrogenase. It can also affect alpha-ketoglutarate dehydrogenase.